Hello all my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sammy and I am a mom of 5. We are a family of 7. I currently am a stay-at-home mom, and right now I just have one kiddo at home. But in today's video, I thought I would just take you along with me while I prep an after school snack for my kids when they get home. I don't know about your kids, but my kids are always starving when they first get home from school. So I'm just cutting up some tomatoes and mixing it with some lime juice and salt and pepper. It's just a quick little snack, healthy snack for my kiddos. And then only my girls though like this. So for the boys, well, for my younger son Liam, I am going to just cut up some strawberries for him and serve him some yogurt with that. And then for my oldest son Michael, he typically just eats things, frozen things that we have in the freezer. So I have just like frozen pretzels and some like little frozen burritos and chimichangas. So he'll just eat a couple things like that for his snack. I know, teenage boy, not the healthiest, but I mean, can any of you guys relate to that? Are you able to get any fruits or veggies into your teenage boys? Because I know I can't. The best that I can do is get him to get most of that in dinner, and that's about it. So once we're done prepping the snack for the kids, we're going to go along and get some laundry switched out. I like to fold the clothes immediately from the dryer and stack them in each person's pile on my bed, and then by the end of the day, however many loads I get done, I'll just keep stacking them up on my bed, and then I'll either, most of the time I hand them to the kids when they walk in the door from school to put their own clothes away. But if I'm not too busy, I'll do that myself. I'll put it all away before anybody gets home so that I don't have mounds of clothes on my bed. And then after we get the laundry switched out, I'm going to take you along to deep clean the kids' bathroom with me, because that thing is filthy also. We are in a newer apartment, so I have not yet gotten into my storage to get all my storage containers. So I'm just going to put all the strawberries in this Ziploc baggie, and those will be good to go. And so I'm just going to get started on some laundry now. I have loads and loads of laundry that I do every day. If you are a large family like me, then I'm sure you could definitely relate. And like I said, we are in an apartment right now. We unfortunately did lose our home during the pandemic, so we are just going to be building back up. Excuse me. So it does take a lot of loads of laundry to make sure that I stay caught up. We have a stackable washer and dryer in the master bedroom and the closet. So it's not a large washer and dryer, unfortunately, but that's okay. We make do. So I just make sure that I keep up with doing loads nonstop all day long, every day, so that I don't get backed up. Then I'm going to move on to the kids' bathroom. I don't know about you guys, but I have a pet peeve with hair being left in hairbrushes. So I always have to be pulling out all the wads of hair out of my girls' brushes and throwing it down the toilet. I know that's not the most ideal place to put it, but I forgot we had a trash can in this bathroom now. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on deep cleaning their bathroom. It was disgusting. I have let it go for a little bit, and embarrassingly to say, but I'm sure, again, a lot of you can relate. Things get really, really busy, and it's hard to keep up on everything all the time. So that's why you just got to try to make a schedule, and that way it helps you stick to a certain flow. And here's a quick little clip of how gross the toilet is. I know some of you guys like to see the befores and afters, so please don't judge me. But this is the before of the gross toilet. And here is my after. Nice, fresh, clean toilet. We have a toilet paper holder next to the kids' toilet because when we moved into this apartment, I don't think they were done building this place. So we put a toilet paper roll holder next to their toilet, but we can't keep the toilet papers down in the bottom of it because of the cat. He shreds up all the toilet paper and it gets everywhere. So we keep the kids' toilet paper underneath this. I just have a little stash for him down there. I need to get a lock for this now that Desiree's up running around, but we keep this bathroom door closed. But yeah, there we go. Just a quick little clean. I'm sorry, my nose is running. And every time I clean, I don't know about you guys, but when I clean, my nose starts to run. I don't know why. But got everything done. Nice, fresh, clean bathroom. I had already picked up the kids' basket of clothes. All of those clothes, well, most of those clothes were all over their floor in here in the bathroom. So before I started on the counter and the toilet, I went ahead and vacuumed and cleaned that up. But yeah, so next video I'm gonna be doing, I need to do a complete closet organization in their bathroom closet because it is a disaster. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try to get some kind of organization going on in here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me while I get a couple things done around the house. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. I am a brand new channel and I would love to share my family with you. See you on my next one.